Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your Realme C31. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Now here write Firefox browser. And hit the search button. Now click on this app and press install. After installation process is complete, we can open the app and start customizing it. You can change the theme from light to dark or set it automatic. I'm gonna choose dark one. Pick your toolbar placement from bottom or top. Let's go for the top one. And change the always on privacy settings from standard to strict. I'm gonna go with standard, and you can sign up to synchronize your other Firefox browsers if you want. You should read this privacy notice, and after setting up everything here, press start browsing. Now you can go to any website and your web browser should work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.